Tulmon. So today we're gonna start with a new sujet, new topic, that is conjonction, that is conjunction. Like conjunction in English means that you need to add like between the two sentences. Okay, we'll have to make a one sentence between added the conjunction. Without conjunction, we're not able to make a proper meaningful sentence. Okay, so that is same in French like and. First we'll come about and. When we use and is basically it's for similar, like if you want to say we want bread and butter both, like similarity. So in French we say a, okay, a, like not et, it's a. Or if we want to say like oo, like if I want bread, sorry, tea or coffee, like मुझे ये चाहिए या ये चाहिए, तो या. In Hindi we call it ya. I'm telling you in Hindi too. Okay, class. So or it's fine, may, but like it's in Hindi we say par. Okay, like लेकिन, like in we use पर, मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए पर ये चाहिए, like that, लेकिन के लिए we use. Okay, so इसलिए, so means इसलिए, like इसलिए I'm not able to come, I have some work, इसलिए, like donc, we say donc, and but is may. Okay, clear? Now next is C means if, like अगर के लिए use होता है, like if when we there is a condition. Okay, Past is used for because, like we use it for because when we giving a reason. Okay, so that is your conjunction, and, but, or, because, so, if. So these are your conjunctions, like a, et is a, u is or, but is may, donc is so is इसलिए in Hindi, इसलिए. If is like C, condition, like अगर ये होना चाहिए तो, like अगर बारिश होती तो, like that. Okay, so past is because whenever we giving a reason that I'm not well, because I'm not able, that's I'm not able to come, like that. Okay, because we are using. So this is your conjunction. Like as you knew in English also you use. One more thing, that is about preposition. Awake. It's a preposition with, but you should know this. Okay. Okay, then if you have any problem, do let me know in the comment box. Share my channel, like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon. Merci beaucoup. If you want to take class or something, you can please comment in the comment box. I'll reach out to you. Thank you so much.